What we're doing at Goggleminds is recreating medical scenarios in virtual reality. The problem with traditional clinical medical training is that medical students and healthcare professionals are using plastic mannequins and dead bodies to practice communication and life-saving skills. And these are often very inaccessible, and there is a lack of clinical educators and physical space. So what we're doing at Goggleminds is we create medical scenarios in virtual reality to help them access these medical scenarios, but safely, accessibly, and in a realistic, risk-free environment. I'm actually a Cardiff Metropolitan University graduate, and this is where I did my first degree and my master's degree. And I guess for me it was really important at the beginning to get some support to help us to really launch the business. I then approached the Centre for Entrepreneurship, and they really supported us through those very early stages in starting the business and getting going.
The Centre for Entrepreneurship here at Cardiff Met is here to support our students and graduates to be more entrepreneurial. So that might be from the early stage to develop skills and experiences through to our graduates who are looking for funding to get their international business up to the next level. We work with a whole range of businesses, from people just developing maybe a ceramics or craft business where they're making and selling their products, through to business services, medical training programs like Azize's business. So obviously the needs of each of those businesses is very different, which is why we try and offer a flexible package of support that our students and graduates can access as and when they need it.
Looking back now, of course, we've come a long way, so we've really grown the team, and some of that early advice and support that we had has really helped us to get us where we are now. We have actually recruited graduates from Cardiff Metropolitan University through their courses. So we now have graduates on our team who have been supported from the university to come on to us. And in terms of the facilities themselves, of course, they've got excellent research facilities here, which we make full use of.
The support is open to all our students and graduates. There's no obligation from the university at all. We don't take any IP in any businesses. We'll start the conversation with you up to 2 years after graduation, and we'll carry on working with you up to a further year, so up to 3 years out from graduation.
Even if you're not sure exactly what you're trying to achieve, you can just have a conversation with them. You know, they're not trying to take value away from you. What they're trying to do is add value to you. And that's certainly been our experience. We're here today because of all the support that we've had. So really, I would just say pick up the phone, go and speak to somebody, have that initial conversation, and then you can figure out exactly what support you need, and you can take what you want and leave what you want. So yeah, definitely just go for it, I would say.